Yes! Good morning and happy Friday morning! So hindi po ako nakapag-exercise kahapon kasi meron po akong bisita. So ngayon, i-continuous natin yung aking challenge dito sa arm exercise. So naka 30, 40, 50 na tayo. So try natin ngayon yung 60. Kaya, let's start! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,